Good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make attendance report, how to update. First, you need to put here department and date and month and years. Here I put March 1st to 2025, 31st March 2025. Here date, total, here serial number and staff ID number, staff names. Here showing opening pending PH, here showing opening pending day off. From here to here, from 1st to 31st date, and here showing B means showing present at work. You can see here and here. A means absent day, absent, and here O means showing weekly day off. PH public holiday. PO pending day off. R means wake up. SL means sick leave. UL means unpaid leave. V means vacation. And then here showing total days. Here closing pending PH, closing pending day off. And first of all I will show you, and present means you should have to enter P means present, and you can show here is showing 1, and total days also showing 1. I will show you, and then you just put 6 days P present and showing here 6, and total days also here. And if you put here O means day off, showing here also day off 1, total 7 days. Again I will show you, I will put present 6 days, and O, and showing 2 day off, and I'll put here PH also 1. See where you can see also showing 1 PH. And again I present, I put 6 days and day off. If absent I will put A. See, you can see here, if absent check here, and total days also. If you absent, it will not show here total days because you absent. And I put again O, B. See, showing here. If you day off also showing PH also showing, and how many present at work 26 days and day off 4 and 1 PH, total 31 days. Example, if previous month you have any PH pending, you can we have to put example we have pending PH 4 days. I'll put here, and then pending day of 2. You should have mentioned here you got 1 PH here, and you should have put here total here opening pending PH 4, and you should have put here 3, and you have pending day of 2. If you not if you didn't get pending day of here, and you should have put same 2. It's like this, and maybe any name you can put. I'll put DK, any name you can. If you stop name, okay, I just put DK, and you can put all these names, and then same like that. You have to put a start name, and any pending PH you should have to put it. Example, if you closing for next month, you closing pending day of 2 and closing pending PH 3. If you next month if you make this, it will come to here. Here are PH 3, and you should have to put here PH 3, and pending day of showing 2, you should have to put here 2. If same like this, if any confused, any just message, just comment me, and then I will reply. Thank you for watching my video.